Just look at this guy's buffet system. One is his pedigree and one more is chicken and rice. Whenever he feels like eating, he'll get up and he'll eat. It's not a fixed timing that he is gonna be eating in the morning time or afternoon or night. It might be night also sometimes. So in night he'll be having his breakfast. If we tell him to eat, he will say wur wur. So better whenever he wants, let him eat. We don't want to disturb him or we don't want to go whenever he is having food nearby also. If we go nearby, he will start biting us only. Finished having food? Redman? Finished having food? Oh. Lot of love seeing camera. He likes camera because my mic is made up of cat feather. So he just wants to start researching what is that. And he wants to sniff Labrador or however famous for sniffing. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. The same old dialogue opening is. So I'm actually planning to change my opening. Let me try. I hope kada bagochna vere openings pedte. We'll see. We have to give up some time for that. So here I have come down for a short new introduction with my new bike. It's a cycle, it's not a bike. Bicycle. Oh yes, let's go and see. Because it's been 2 days, I have not seen my own cycle itself. So here is 100 kg fatty boy coming on my new bicycle. I have only not sat on my bicycle. Behind me my cycle is standing. So it is a fluorescent green. I hope some people might like it, some people may not. This is a 21 speed bicycle. I've still not driven this. Let me start now. It's like raining. Clouds are completely formed. So before that I have to finish this vlog and I have to give one test ride of this vehicle. Sorry, this bicycle. Always the vehicle word comes up in my mouth. So let me see what end of alteration has to be done for this bicycle. It's time for test drive. Still the gears has not been adjusted properly, so I have to take it again. So I've told my brother to take it and make it ready, and even disc is like not perfect. They have to adjust it. Maybe for service they'll adjust it. Nowadays cycle has become a trend. Everyone has cycles. More than bikes now. People are roaming around in cycles. It's environment friendly. So in lockdown days, gyms also were closed. Most of the people bought cycles and started riding, and even walking was like more. Sitting at house and eating is more means of course body goes lazy. So they will start buying all this stuff, treadmills, cycles and all. So cycles demand was more after lockdown. Before that there was no cycle demands. They had 3 colors in this bicycle which I bought, Hydra 360. So I wanted this particular color itself, fluorescent green, yes. And there was one more color is red and one more was black. So I wanted this only. So I waited for quite long period of time, almost like 1 week. Then I got this bicycle. I bought it. So the day when unbox was happening, that day actually I wanted to go and rain was like heavy. So I couldn't go. I wanted to actually vlog that stuff. That was the main stuff. So anyhow, it's done. However, after I got my cycle also, I didn't see. Today was the day where I saw. Next day I got cycle and next day I had an important meeting with my clients. So I could not go. Next day my brother went and bought that cycle. So finally today I saw and I thought it of vlogging about cycle. So I vlogged it. I paid somewhere around 15,000 rupees for this bicycle and mud guards, everything is like add-on. Now next week again I have to go for this gear assemble and disc assemble and all. It's like whenever I go that side I'm gonna be installing all the add-on stuff like mud guard, the rest of the stuff whatever is required for the cycle. And I have got complimentary lock for this bicycle. That's it. Yeah, and one more complimentary is that I got this bottle holder. So this is a double side disc bicycle. It's good and have some scratches on the bicycle. I'll just show you. So here is one scratch and this is one more. So I think scratches and all, it happens in transportation. For cycle, bikes only it will happen. So cycle chelta hai. And this is made in USA. The brand designing and frame designing and all, it's a pure aluminium. So and assemble of course happens in India. He did good assemble and all. But yes, gears are not falling properly, and let's see, let me hope for the best. Let me go and check what he says. The rest of the things, bicycle is really good. We stay nearby Air Force, so every year air show happens nearby. This year it didn't happen because of COVID-19, and one more reason is last year many cars got burnt up here due to summer, lot of heat. A grass got burnt, then cars started burning, almost like 30 to 40 cars. How many cars last year? It was almost more than 50. So it became a very big news. So after that they decided not to have a air show. Then again they were saying that air show will be happening in Bangalore itself. Anyhow, whatever I wanted to show you in this vlog, I showed you. ये vlog के लिए इतना ही है. So let me catch up you in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see you, be safe.